don't know why I did that. Anyways. I'm here, guys. There's just not much I can do today because nothing's working. Yay! One of those days. Nothing wants to be working. So, sigh. Just sigh. Won't even let me hop in at all. This is me trying to refresh like 15 times. That's why I'm late. I eventually gave up. And I thought I'll just hop on then, and I guess we're all just gonna have some chit chat time. Anyone else having this much fun with their Project X currently? Come wakey wakey. Are my things working? Why does it not look like it's working? Why are things not working? See, that's now kind of working. I think things are just being slow today. Ah! Oh my gosh! It's doing things. Okay. There is a high possibility that it, you know what, then I'm gonna stop this. Very high chance that it could also be my Wi-Fi having a moment today. So those of you that were around earlier will know that I thought there was someone working on the gate. They were not working on the gate. They were adding, I think it's a different fiber company, was adding fiber and drilling basically by my gate and making noise. It's fine. We're just gonna carry on today. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. And network, please try again. Never mind. Maybe it's not me. Who the hatedly day knows today? Let's see. Try to get this up and working again. Maybe it's just one of those days. Maybe I must just call it quits. Maybe today is just not worth it. Maybe today is just not worth it. What are you doing? Oh, patience, 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 patience. Patience is a virtue. Do I have that virtue? I like to think I have that virtue, but maybe I don't. Who knows? Oh, I'm trying so hard. I'm trying so hard. Please work. Awesome, cool. Okay. Let me go here, let me ask. Okay. Yep. Still down, LP. Sorry guys, that's why I'm a little bit late. I thought maybe it was just my signal this side, so I was running around trying to get things sorted, and apparently, yep. Sorry. Maybe it's just a sign. Maybe I'm just not supposed to be trading today, which kind of sucks, but I guess it is what it is. I can't control this. Nope. Aw, thanks for subscribing, Mr. DI. Mr. D? DI hug. Sorry, everything is being... Hey, Shocker. Yeah, good question. Let's ask Boom. So everything's being extra slow today. I do think it is a little bit my signal. I have a feeling it's a little bit my signal. I think Boom was able to close his trade, Shocker. It came back on briefly earlier. And I know, guys, I'm having so much fun. Scott, what up? Hey, some guys, some people know. What up, Scott? Yeah, trading. Well, I guess not trading right now. Not willingly, but it is what it is. Bethel, what up? Oh, nice. And how's it been treating you? Project X is just down right now, so... Okay, I guess. Okay, some guy. Oh, nice. Oh, awesome. Well, I mean, Scott, you can see it in my top corner. I'm actually affiliated with them. I'm affiliated with them, so if you want to be awesome and use my code, that would be greatly appreciated, but it is what it is. Scott, are you able to trade right now? Can you get in at all? Or is this a me problem, or is this a everyone problem? Hey, Dr. Trade, what up? Yeah, Desert Eagle. So literally earlier today, it was a thing I couldn't place any trades. Shame, I know Boom Banana, one of the community members, I was gonna say viewers, but nah, he's a community member. One of the community members was actually in a trade and couldn't place his take profit, and he would have been in the green because he was in a bullish trade, and then the chart changed to bearish. So when it finally went back online, I think he was down 2.5k, which is ridiculous, but anyways. Damn, Scott, look at you go. Holy moly. Sorry, it's been a long day. I'm apparently losing my voice. That is awesome. How long have you been trading? Oh, damn. Okay, that answered that question. Boa trade. I feel like something happened. Oh, Boom, did you make it all back though? Boom, are you at least able to get in, or is it doing the same thing for you that it's doing to me right now? Is anyone able to get in? Consistently 90 to 95%. Scott, how long have you been trading for? Yeah, everyone having the same. Yeah, Dr. Trade, it was the Amazon, right? Yes, it was Amazon. I remember us having this discussion earlier and me just going, I can't believe that Amazon would have such an effect. Great chair? No. Is that chair? It is chair. Did I say karate? Is that supposed to say karate chair? Am I being blonde? Is this a government channel? No. No. I'm banned from trade. Wolfie, apparently I did something today, and they're just like, no trading for you. It's why I'm so late, because I legit thought this was a me issue. I know there was issues this morning, but, you know, it appeared to have sorted itself out. So I was like, no, this is a me issue, because a different fiber company, so I have fiber, but a new fiber company has been drilling and going on. So I was like, oh my gosh, it's my internet. Something is wrong. So I spent essentially 45 minutes trying to fix that, only to realize, thanks to Boom on Discord sending that message, that it's still down, and I was like, So guys, it looks like we're just gonna stare at a blank screen today, so that's fun. Whoop. Sorry, my whole pillow just slipped down. Nice, Boom, okay. Scott, it could be a little bit of both, to be fair. Like I said, it's why I did think it was me. I did think it was me, but it's fine. No one can get in. Great. Scott, 2 years. TFT got you. Ooh. Oh, damn, Scott. Damn. Okay, that's really cool. Sure, and I mean, 2 years, you learn a lot in 2 years. I mean, I've only been trading since April, and my goodness, have I learned a lot. Have I had the opportunity to backtest? Hey, Felipe. Oh, you're talking about today because I can't do anything? Not really. Like I said, after the stream, so I was going to do some backtesting then on the stream. Every time I do it with TradingView, it keeps wanting to take me to the freaking free option, and I'm just like, I get it, but I don't want to do this right now. Sorry, can you see I'm going through a bit of a rant? And then I went to the horses, and then I came back, and then I had to film some things, and then I've been trying to sort out the Wi-Fi for 45 minutes. And yes, sorry. Welcome to my podcast, the daily struggles of trying to get your sugar honey iced tea together. Scott, well? I'm waiting for the well. This looks like it could be good. I'm trying one last time. Bethel. I have an American but a little bit of a British accent. Interesting. So South African here. I've heard that from a few people though, so I'm not sure. Maybe. I mean, I could try one last time hopping on. Oh, Scott, interesting. So a friend tried for many years to get you involved in Forex and finally it just clicked one day. Was it maybe that... I don't know, so like nothing in particular changed. You just all of a sudden started seeing the chart differently? Or did you maybe have a new strategy? Or what is it that you think happened? Or literally it is. One day you just went then you're like, ah, there we go. Right? If that is the case, that's super interesting. It appears today might just have to be a chin-chill day. So, I tried to play Battlefield yesterday. Don't ask me which one, I just know Battlefield. I'm really bad at shooting games, guys. I'm really bad. I somehow managed to get 5 kills in my first one, which for me, again, I cannot stress enough how pathetic I am at shooting games. I cannot stress enough. But I was actually able to get 5 kills. I played 2 games, 5 in both, so 10 in total. Which again, like I said, for me, is not terrible. Yeah. Come again, you might take 60 trades in 2 hours. What? And then Dr. Kim's Poems. Hey, how are you? Damn, Scott. Holy moly. See, that's what I hope one day my community on Discord will look like. It's not there yet, but it's fine. You're 100% when you like. That's valid. Big Bull, what up? I mean, nah. Scott, maybe you are just one of the blessed ones. Maybe you're just one of the blessed ones. I'm jelly. I would like to be one of the blessed ones, but I'm not. So to be fair, okay, I'm gonna be a little bit of a negative Nancy. Just give me a second. Just bear with me. I've always said this about myself, and like I said, I might be being a little bit of a negative Nancy. It is what it is. You know, there's some people in life that things are just easy for them, right? Like they try something new and it's easy, and every sport that they try, they're like captain because they're just the best, but they don't put any effort in. So I always say I've always been the moderate one. Shocker. Yeah, hell yeah, negative Nancy alert. Just be aware. So like my sister's one of those. If she goes and she tries a sport, she's really good at it, which means she became lazy because she didn't have to put any effort in. Like I used to do kickboxing. Do you know how hard I had to train to be able to at least just punch hard? She just comes and she just naturally punches hard, and I'm just like, well, screw you. Anyways, and then, yeah, like I said, I've never been blessed like that. I've always had to, unfortunately, work really hard for it, which is a blessing and a curse. Because I guess it teaches you that you have to work hard and push through things and. But essentially, I've never been the worst at things, depending on what things, but I've never been the worst at things, but I've never been the best at things, unless I put like 120% into things. It's really hard. But anyways. Big Bull, do I have any boyfriends? No. Heisenberg, what up? Are you with Project X, Heisenberg? No, you're not with Project X. I remember we had this conversation. Well, you're not gonna like it anymore because it's been down. This is fun. So, Scott, you don't have any signal, so what do you look for? Am I Serbian? No. I'm South African. Okay, sorry about my little random complaint of the day, if you will. Why will this not go away? Go away. Vincent. I just yeeted a bobby clip off to the side. Anyways. Vincent, yes I am. Heisenberg, I was not able to. Yeah, I wanted to get some trades in, and when I tried, thank heavens it crashed before, when I tried to get into a trade, it wouldn't let me because Project X had just gone offline. Luckily, shame. Boom Banana. Boom Banana was in a trade when it went offline, so that was not great for him, but it is what it is. Yeah. Futurist, yes. It's fun. It's fun. Mazia, what up? Heisenberg, oh, not since yesterday, since the small, oh, I guess, sorry, depending on where you live. Sorry, for me, London session was this morning for me. So yes, I guess for a lot of you guys, since yesterday, it's been done. Vincent, can you marry me? Sorry. Okay, Scott, what is this? Are you gonna share the secret sauce here? Or are you just gonna tease us with it? Yep, Marzia, that's exactly it. So it's to do with the Amazon whatchamacallit? AWS. Apparently it's down. So it's fine. We're having a chill session then. Oh, that's fun. LP, when I do that, it looks shocking, and then it keeps trying to reroute me to Weird and Wonderful Things to get me to do Weird and Wonderful Things. I did try it earlier, LP, sorry. So never leave a trade open, never use TP, yeah. Ah, I forgot, yeah. Happy Diwali for everyone that is celebrating it today. I hope you have so much fun. Oh, is TradingView down also, Marcia? Wow. Wow, you don't like trading anyway, Shaka. Price action super scalping. I'm trying to think. I'm like, maybe there's something. Oh, I don't have my things on this PCR, so I would have said like, screw it guys, we're gonna just go play games. I mean, we could always... No, you guys are gonna yell at me. I was gonna say we can always play chess. I know you guys will yell at me because of my amazing chess skills. I'm lying, I do not. Aw, Rex is okay. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your day. Like I said, I can't believe that everything is sell right now on Euro USD. Scott, what? Oh, is TradingView working? I'm gonna try this. Let's see. It keeps trying to redirect me to every which freaking direction, so. Okay. I just don't have the accurate time on here. Or do I? Ooh, Ankit. Ooh, animated or not? An underappreciated and fun movie suggestion. Again, animated movie or not? Because... Sapphire Smith, which prop firm am I using? I'm using Top One Futures. Ah. Orfani Baba, happy Diwali to you too. Heisenberg, okay, so TV is working. Awesome. Sorry, I did something weird there. Let me see if I can quickly broadcast this then. Give me a second. Is it up and loading? Come on. Please work. Please work. Work with me here. Just work with me. Prop for a match is a good tool to choose between props. I've never heard of that, Scott. Prop for a match. Let me make a note of that. What does it do? Oh, well, I mean, Anchored for me, Treasure Planet was severely underrated. I love watching Treasure Planet as a kid. I don't know about all of you. Aha! I just don't like how this looks, but I guess it is what it is. We can't be fussy right now. It's better than nothing. Obviously, this is not anything, but we can maybe have a look. Hey, Marzi. Okay, awesome. Tropic Thunder, great film. Ooh, okay, some guy. Top One Futures only. Any other firms used to allocate your funded account more than one? Sapphire. Oh, sorry, Sapphire. So, heads up for anyone that's new, I'm not funded yet, so I've only been trading since April. I know for some people that might sound long. Sorry. But I've only been trading since April, so I'm still on an eval account. Can't show you anything today. Normally I have everything up and you can see my P&L and everything. But, you know, today is just one of those days. Okay, so obviously this is not paid for, so... But we can do... We can test some things. We can test something. Shall we back test something? So we are on the 1 minute, so that's cool. Yash, hi. Monster, yeah, Monster Mob today, big crash. Is this a big crash because of all of this chaos that's going on? Out of curiosity, or is there just a big crash because there's a big crash? Days. Scott, but okay, hear me out. Why would you do that to yourself? Out of curiosity. Heisenberg, hi. Yeah. Let's see, I guess we're gonna then just do some backtesting today. I'm absolutely hating how this looks right now, but it is. Let's have a look at potentially some backtesting. Ah, for crying out loud. Okay, I need to make my GAN. Okay. Shocker? No, we're not in the game. No. Not in the game, just looking at the game. I'm gonna backtest a little bit. Yeah. Unfortunately not in the game. So, this is what it does, and then it takes me on a freaking journey and a half. Okay, yeah, sure. Let's go there. But while it's doing that, can this at least be large? Thanks. Oh, apparently not. You do not recommend that method for learning. Explain, Scott. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. Apparently... Sure. Let's try this again. Okay, opening a new page. Ah, there we go. It has my old things on it. Okay, this is better. It's better. Okay. Give me a second. Sorry, it's not... I'm not going anywhere. I'm just trying to sort me stuff out. Is it gonna work? Please work. Wakey. Eggs and bakey. This at least has all my old stuff on it. Oh, that one, Scott, right, yes. I mean, why did you do it? Out of curiosity. Thanks, Heisenberg. I appreciate that. Chocolate, sticking your video. It might be me. Sapphire, am I using SMT divergence? No, sorry, I'm using ICT and SMC concepts. Okay. Holy guacamole. Reset chart view. Oh, I kind of miss my old setup. It looked so nice. Okay, let's have a look-see. Okay, obviously we are 10 minutes behind because this is not paid for, so there is a delay. But at least I still have all my stuff. That wouldn't have worked. Oh, that bugs me that the green and the red are the wrong way around. That would have been good. Okay. Sorted. Ooh, Ankit, have you watched Police Academy? Police Academy is pretty good. Police Academy is pretty funny. I don't know if I would call that underrated movies though, but it's a goodie. Shocker, always dream ending in background. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty. The flow. Monster Marv, what does? Don't choose MA. We're literally just low-key forward testing things today. So for example, here. Would I have been trading here? Yeah. Potentially. It was 5 minutes after opening. Sorry, because I can't do anything, looks like we're doing this. So this would have been a goodie. That would have been a good entry. Well, not my 50%. The other one. So I'm wanting to do some backtesting with regards to if I put my entry where my stop loss normally is, how good will it be? I mean, what is the win rate? Sorry, because then it could be a, what was it? I'm gonna lie to you now, but I'm pretty sure it's a 4-hour trade. I don't want to lie to you guys, so let's double check. Yeah, that's, oh, flip, that's nearly a 5-hour trade. What? Okay. So this is nearly a fave. It's been a long day. Anyways. Yeah, some guy, come on. Police Academy films are amazing. They all lag as the data they use. It's literally right there in front of you already. Dark Angel, how's it going? How's it going? So you're scalping on the 5 minute, you don't care what happened 200 candles ago. I know, but so I can't trade today, so because everything's down, but it is what it is. Dark Angel, what are you using and can you actually trade today? Can someone just like shout if Project X decides to start working? Monster Marv, brain is cooked today. Me, yes. Yes, it is. It's not great. Only True Trader, what up? How's it going? Is anything working for you today? Just me? Yeah? Okay. So that one would have been a win if I used my stop loss as my entry here. Normal entry would have worked. Yes. Stop loss for entry. No? Oh my gosh, it may have missed me by a tick. That may have missed me by a tick. That would be so frustrating. Oh, only 2 trade. Well, don't worry. If you're with Project X, you can't trade today. Anyways, so it is what it is. Penta, what up? Skeletor, like, it's really funny, but it's really sad, and I feel like you need a hug after that. I know it was a joke, but damn. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like I need another coffee, but it's too late. Hey, Nomi, yeah, so that's why I'm just then I guess gonna be doing a little bit of forward testing. This is not the live chart, this is a 10-minute delay. Yeah. Oh no, 100% Monster Marv. That's why. I mean, so backtesting isn't bad, and I think forward testing theoretically is good. As long as you're taking notes of what happened. So I mean, obviously I don't have everything up and running here. To be like, oh, it hit. That's why we have to now start zooming out and see, did it hit something? Was it just that it was opening time and it just had a big retracement back in? Ah, okay, so Dark Angel, you can actually trade. Aren't you just a lucky fish? Some guy, don't encourage him. Come on. Hey Curex, how's it going? I'm assuming you can't trade either, right? Jason Bourne? Me neither, so we're in the same page. I've just popped onto the free trading view and I'm just forward testing then a little bit. See a tiny bit ranging, tiny bit. Just up there would have been an awesome freaking entry in and then up. Okay. Let's see. Damn, if anyone was in longs 10 minutes ago, I'm sure you guys are super happy. I think sometimes only shorts or longs get cooked. Jason Bourne, you're going back to sleep. Yep. That's probably the best choice, seeming as can't do anything. Your chat when you're done with stream, I'll show you what I do. It's so different from anything you've seen. Okay, Scott. Heisenberg is my firm connected to Tradeovate. Heisenberg, I'm not sure. I used to be with Tradeify, so then yes, I had Tradeovate. Ah, Curex, yeah. So Project X is still down because of that AWS. Oh well. Oh, Curex, that's amazing though. Whoop whoop, that is awesome. Ever? Hi. All-time high, here we come. Yeah. Let's see, I'm a little bit bummed about all this, I'm not gonna lie. I literally, for those of you that hopped on to the London session, know that I started the day by saying, I'm just gonna take my trades today. I'm gonna stop overthinking it. That was the only goal for today, was to just start taking my trades. And apparently the universe had other plans. Abbas? Sorry, I think I butchered it, sorry. Gold long since 3... Oh, nice. Is it still just climbing up? Would be no entry here. This is just climbing up, up and away. What does it look like on this side? Awesome. Oh, you're from Pakistan. Awesome. What's it like there right now? Also, some guy... Yeah, puns are good, but they just... Yeah. FF zone. Oh, thank you. Devin, sorry, so just for anyone hopping on, this is not live, this is a 10-minute delay because I can't trade on my Project X account because of the AWS, so I can't trade today, so I thought I might as well just do a little bit of forward testing and see what happens. Ah, harsh, nice. But Devin, do I think it's going to reverse anytime soon? I mean, I just say stick with trend, right? So that's good for the day. Curex, that is amazing. So then what do you have planned for the rest of the day? Are you literally just gonna chill? I don't know, you're gonna go watch a movie? Yeah, what are the plans? Gold always goes up. Monster Mob, I've realized it just keeps going up. Yeah. FF Zone, I did I not? Sorry. For those of you asking, I'm from South Africa. Weekly one is it? Oh, damn, okay. So Scott, you catch all these pullbacks, so these pullbacks here, and then you just go up, right? Do you wait for confirmation? What do you wait for? This wouldn't have even come back far enough, unfortunately. Oh, nice, Nathan. Cool, go for it, Scott. Some guy, I mean, that makes sense though, right? It does make sense. Also, some guy, can I just say, your little fur baby is adorable. I saw the photos earlier and I was like, ah, yes, he's so cute. It has to break through that before autumn, huh? I had a gold long. Ready to hold, kind of said. Oh no, Monster Mob, I'm so sorry. Real motivations, I can't open anything. So I normally use Project X, and Project X is down due to AWS being down. Apparently there's a lot of platforms that are just not too happy right now. But yeah. So I can't actually place any trades, guys. And this is a delay, so this is a 10-minute delay of the actual charts. Just in case you guys were hoping for something. Oh, that's, you know, some guy, it's like mine. He goes everywhere with me. And then everyone's always like, why do you go everywhere with? I'm like, I need a company, and he is the best company. Why would he not go everywhere with me? Thanks, Scott. That's awesome. Oh, that's nice. Oh, Curix. Curix, then you have a meter. Okay, Curix, so do you just do trading on the side? If they're only just here for fun, cool. Plus, come to your country. I mean, I want to one day. I want to travel the world one day. That would be amazing. Monster Mob looks bearish to you. Yeah, listen, my dog comes with me to the stables. He's a little nightmare half the time. Ooh, here we go. This might start being a little bit of a pullback, but is it going to be a proper one? I would have potentially looked at this. Let's see, I feel this might be massive. Oh no, this is not bad. This is not bad. This is like 5 contracts. This is not terrible. We just need a confirmation. I think it's gonna break down. I don't think this will be a winning trade. Let's have a look and see if it would have been though, right? FF Zone, I'm from South Africa. You think 0.2 will get hit? Monster Mob, why? Oh, Scott, sorry. Pop me an email and then I can send you the Discord link. Sorry. Oh. Skeletor, what can you buy for 440 cents? I don't know why. I feel like, is this a joke? Is there a joke coming from this? Because these are the highs. Mr. Howell, hi, thank you. Ghost, am I good at trading? I'm trying. I think that's the point. I'm trying to be better. Oh! Skeletal. So literally 440 cents. So like 4 rand and 40 cents. You can't get much for 4 rand anymore. Like a chappy, I guess. Maybe, no, I don't even think you can get a small chocolate for 4 rand. Huh. It's a good ass question. Is there strategies or is it mainly just gambling? No, there's strategies. So this is my strategy right here. I would wait for confirmations and so I'm just forward testing today because the charts don't want me to trade, apparently. It is what it is. A skeletal, 1 grain of rice. I mean, probably. Feinberg, chocolates. I don't even think you can get chocolates. Maybe a tiny one. Maybe a tiny chocolate for 4 rand. No, things have gone up here in South Africa. Some guys. Thank you, some guy. It wasn't just me. I legit thought that there was a joke gonna come after the 440 cents. I was like, Mr. Howell, I'm from South Africa. Oh, no, Scott, literally just don't worry about that. Pop me an email. Believe me, it'll be a whole lot easier. AJ, what up? I have not, Ghost. That kind of sounds a little bit funny, though. I have not seen that video. That sounds hilarious. Wait, now I'm on a mission. Some guy, me too. I'm kind of, so I want to just let you know, just out of curiosity. Oh, out of interest sake. Not curiosity, interest sake. So, no, naturally I've closed it. So, 4 rand 50, well, 4 rand 40 cents. Nope. Is, how, is, oh my gosh, $0.26. I guess that's 26 cents in dollars. Yes? No? Is that right? Is it cents in dollars? I'm actually not sure. I feel like I'm being a bit blonde right now. I mean, what could you guys get for $0.26 over on that side? AJ, you're from India. Do I know India? I know India. I've never been to India though, if that's what you are asking. Have I ever had eggnog? Not proper eggnog. Bob, good morning. Bob, are you able to trade? No? You're gonna sit here and complain with me about the fact that I can't trade today? There we go. Skeletal's back. Awesome sauce. He's back. Let's see. Damn, Curex. Look at you go. That is amazing. Hey, TNT lolly. There we go. 10 cents. Ah, there we go. Futurist it is. Yeah, it is the delayed chart because I do not have Trading View anymore. I used to have Trading View. I do not have it anymore. I use Project X and Project X is down. So this is very much delayed. Sorry, Futurist. Yeah, there we go, some guy. That's exactly. Mr. Howell, where's the best place to get spaghetti? Like going to a restaurant? I mean, there's Italian restaurants. And there's some real fancy Italian restaurants where it's excessively expensive, I think, but I mean, there would be a really good place. And lasagna. Oh, guys, now I'm in the mood for lasagna. Lasagna sounds amazing. Sorry, I haven't eaten today, so... Whew. How do we always end up talking about food? I feel like we always somehow end up reckoning about the food. Even if I'm not paying for it, futurist? Yeah, I don't want to join a whole new prop. Curix, what are you with a prop? Sorry, I think we've asked this before. Curix, what prop are you with? See, this is my old one. Let me try a different one. I'm scared it does. I mean, no, paper trading won't do anything. I'm scared. Are you sure? Oh, Q-Rex. So you've used my whatchamacallit? Have you used my code? Asking for a friend. Just an FYI, I'm affiliated with Top One. If you want to be super supportive, that would be amazing. Anyways, the nerds in the north. First of all, I love that. But are you truly a nerd? I feel like you need to prove yourself. Do you play D&D? Watch Harry Potter. But what am I doing? I am forward testing. This would not have come far enough down to get me if I'd used the smaller range. It would have. So I'm doing a little bit of forward testing because I can't trade using Project X right now, so it is what it is. Clayton, hi, I'm good, thanks, and how are you? Willa Frew, hi. Only true trader, thank you. Yes, my code works for CFDs as well, if anyone was wondering. Any active prop account will give you live data, yes. Epic account is cheapest. Future, just get one and get free. No, Futurist, my gosh. Damn. Oh, Remnant. How old am I? How old do I look? Careful now. Oh, Q-Rex. Why don't you just like hop in my name there somewhere? No, I'm joking, don't worry. Clayton, a rough chat today. What? No, this is pretty normal. This is pretty normal. Just saying. Abraham, what's up? Some guy, that's pretty standard. That's pretty standard. Yeah, that's pretty standard talk. Oh gosh, you guys are funny. I know we don't even get to do any trading today. Like I said, I'm a bit bummed, but you guys are hilarious. You guys are super funny. I'm 24. Ooh, close. And in fact, you think I'm 14? Baku. I felt like I nearly said something bad there. Sorry. You think I'm 14? Not quite. I don't think I'd be allowed to be trading if I was 14. Well, not exactly. But like that's happening today. Anton, what's up? How are you? I'm a baby. Thank you, I think. So I'm turning 27, guys. Some guy. Didn't get top 1 trader prop if it weren't New Year. And I'm really only true trader? Yay, I'm glad. Listen, there's a few that are under it. Like I said, Buellanox actually has a 81% discount going on currently, which is freaking awesome. And I've only heard good things about them. Just an FYI for you guys. Again, also affiliated with them, but if anyone wants to get in on that discount, because I mean 81% is ridiculous. Fuck you, 16, that's your final guess. Thanks. Clayton, they're talking about really crash coming up. When? Have you heard when? Anton, I can't make anything today. I can only do some forward testing because, alas, I'm using, I'm using Project X, and Project X is down due to AWS being down and being funny today. I think, is it still down? Is anyone using Project X? Is that, yeah? Only True Trader, you did hear discount. Specifically on Buellanox here, let me quickly, I'm not going anywhere guys, I'm just quickly hopping onto the ending scene so you guys can see all the discounts that are currently going on. Ready, set, here we go. Like I said, I am sticking around. Whoopsie, I haven't gone onto the side, here we go. So I'm not going anywhere, but you can see here, you know, Top 1 Futures has 40% off for the first time users. Funding Ticks is 35% off, but Buellanox 81% off, specifically for option 1, just saying. And Tick Trader 50% off, all evals. There we go. And we're back. Sorry, I thought I'd just quickly pop that on because only True Trader got excited. Yeah, I had to show only True Trader what was going on. That was just for you. I got you. Some guy, yeah. Yeah. It's okay. It's like that whole thing. I don't know how I feel about it. I think sometimes we can take it over the top. You know, that whole, have you guys heard of, would you rather be trapped in the woods with a bear or a guy thing? I don't know if you've heard of that. Nishad, how do you manage the trading related stress? Woohoo! Look at you coming with the great questions. I think you just have to take it one day at a time. I think that's it. You just have to take it one day at a time. And if you're feeling just too stressed on that day, then just don't trade. Yeah, if your brain just isn't in it for that day, it's not worth trading because then you're just gonna stress yourself out even more. So yeah. But when it comes to the stress and things, I deal with it how I deal with life. I just go one trade at a time, one day at a time, one step at a time. That's the only way, right? I don't think there's any other way to do it. No, I lied. There is another way. One trade at a time, but you can be less stressed by having a strategy that works for you and having rules so that if for whatever reason it was a losing trade, but you stuck with your rules, it's not on you. You can't then feel like you were dumb for not doing something or doing it or whatever the case may be, because you had your rules and you stuck to them and you stuck with your strategy, and then just it is what it is. It was then just a bad day, but then it's not you being silly and letting your psychology get the best of you. Sorry, I know I'm talking a lot. Anyways, Remnant, you're very cute. Sorry, I only saw your message now. Buellanox is good, but can Ion activation fee? Yeah, higher accounts have high activation fee. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I mean, listen, that's the thing, right? It's why I do have a few different prop firms, because I know not every prop firm is going to be every person's cup of tea. They are specifically for, you know, some people are looking for X, Y, and Z. Some people want to be able to straight away go to funded. Some prop firms offer that, some do not. So I guess it really depends on who you are as a person. Curious Hop, hi, by the way. Sorry, I'm a little bit slow answering people. We had made us. Interesting, Clayton. Okay, well, some guy, sorry, I keep saying some guys. Some guy, crypto bull run may already be over. Tap distribution model as well, then broke for our structure bearish. So some guy, you think this might start to be the bearish trend? Graham, what's up? Only true trader, don't apologize. Okay, future trading today. You didn't have a trade. It was a good day though. Explain, please. Like it was a good day psychologically? English for you? There we go. No? No. Nanomix? No. Project X is down, so I can't do anything. Boom Banana, is it still down? Let me actually check. Is it still down? Can I not get into anything still? No, I think I would be in already. DJ Mahoney, how are you? Remnant. I'm from South Africa, by the way. DJ Mahoney, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be, well, I'm not trading today because Project X is down and I normally use the top one futures, Project X. Unfortunately, there's some issues, so we're doing a little bit of forward testing. So this would have actually been a beautiful tap in. If it had missed me by a tick, oof, I would have been grumpy, but this would have been an awesome one. Check. Little tap in by the wick and up it goes. Sorry, we haven't been doing lots of trading talk today, but we're having fun, so it's fine. Clayton, looking at BTC, they usually have a 4-year burning cycle. That's interesting. I haven't heard that before. I'm long. Ooh, nice. And whooping Nanomix? Are we whooping? Are we happy? Breaking structure bearish. Then there was this big day a couple weeks ago. Yeah. Range of interest would be another lower high. We've been in bull market. Some guy, what time frame do you normally trade in? I want to say the 4 hour from just what you've been saying, but out of curiosity. All-time high moves. Ooh, Nanomix noise. So we're whooping. We're gonna be whooping later. Trapped in the woods with a barrel woman. You'll say, you know what, Paku, that's valid. I get it. Ooh, interesting. So yeah, that's. Everyone always asks, how can you be sure? You cannot. I think at the end of the day, that's the short and sweet of it. You can never be sure. Definitely never 100% sure. You can have a lot of confirmations to make you more confident, but you can never be 100%. Yes, a Nanomix whoops for you indeed. I'm excited. I'm excited for you. I'm grumpy that I'm not able to get in on this though. Looks like a really good day to be trading. So naturally, hey, I love Jesus. Welcome back. How are you? Yes, you were from. I nearly said, oh yeah, you're from yesterday, but were you not here Friday? Analyze from the weekly down, but I tend to use the 4 hour as your buyer setter. Okay. But then once you have your buyer setter, do you trade like the 5 minute or do you just stick with the 4 hour? And I'm sorry, I didn't even ask you this, but like, are you a scalper? What's your thing? What up? How's it going? Yeah, happy Diwali for everyone that is celebrating Diwali today. I hope it's super amazing. Okay, let's see if this would have come far enough down to tag me in. Hey, I mean, this is actually not a terrible trade. I haven't really tested back. I don't have anything set up because this is not what I use anymore. But when I'm saying this is not what I use anymore, I'm saying I don't use TradingView anymore. So let's see. Ah, Patrick, I get it. Oh. I'm hearing a weird noise. Anime YouTube, anime YT, sorry. Today not good day for trading. Nasdaq keeps going higher. That sounds like a great day as long as it has pullbacks. Like I said, look at this. Look at that. Let's see if this would have been a win. This is actually making me a little bit grumpy. Ooh, Salty Maya might come out soon because this is ridiculous. Naturally, the one day where I started the day saying I will place my trades in and stop overthinking everything, I can't place any trades. Yay! A bit of scalp, a bit of swing, a bit of scalp turns into intraday swing. So okay, some guys. So you do your own thing and that's awesome. It's the noise of big money, I guess. I mean, Remnant, that sounds about right. It sounds about right. Oh, nice. Okay. And then how long do you hold the trades for? Some guy. I low-key feel rude calling you that. I don't know why. Because you are more than just some guy. You are part of this community now. You've been here for one day, but you are awesome. You're sticking around. I like you. You must stay. Okay. You short of BTC initial lower high. It hit a 4-hour order block I had marked out. Yep, but the confirmation that I used to take it was the 3-minute market structure flip. Okay, I see. Borja, what? Hi. Like 2. Oh, I lied. Wait, unless I was actually a proper. There we go. And stop with it. There we go. 2. The point. Let's see if this goes up, or let's see if this would have been a loss. So we're forward testing now. Getting a little bit grumpy with it, but we're forward testing now. Okay, valid. Okay. But what's... Okay, let me ask this. What's the longest trade you have held? Maybe that's a better question. Oh! High Life? Really? Are you teasing Bob right now? Does Bob actually want to do some co-streams with me? Bob? Bobby? Bob? Robert? Is this a thing? Can we do a co-stream? What about you, High Life? Why don't you come do a co-stream with me one day? Even some guy, do you want to hop on and do a co-stream one day for funsies? And yes, I just said for funsies. Okay, we're sticking with it. It is what it is. Aiming for 265 on API 3. Nanomix, nice. Okay, held some for a couple weeks. Weeks. Damn, that's really good though. And what risk to reward do you normally have, some guy? Oh, maybe this was not a good. No. Looks like it would have been a loss. Boo. What hit the fair value gap on ES? Is it gonna turn around now? No, it's Bob, it's out there. It's out there now. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It was put out into the universe. Okay, so here appears to be a little bit of a shift. You think your average is like 2 to 3 days? Nice. Patrick. Yeah. So all of Project X is down, basically, Patrick. so I can't trade. And that's why there's this delay here right now. Yeah. Sorry guys. What the heck was that? Did you guys hear that? What on earth was that? My dog's not barking. Oh. Never mind. I know what it is. It's the fireworks. Oh my gosh. Come on, some guy. Man, I guess that's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. Hey, Soren. I mean, there's not much going on right now. Dark Angel, yeah, I think we should get Bob on here somehow. Or High Life. Or both of you. See, because you guys want to cause trouble, you can both be on at the same time. That'll be funny. I'll actually just sit back. You guys can take over. Remnant, I can't trade today. Sauron, I'm still learning. Thunderbird, because I can't trade my Project X account because AWS is down, so Project X is offline. So I'm just doing some forward testing with delayed data. Sorry, guys. Sorry, Thunderbird. Sorry about that. Ooh, Nanomix. I have heard that, and I've heard those are like the bestest. Because then it's a... Yes, I just said the best. You guys are just gonna have to deal with me. It's been a really long day. But anyways. Remnant, why? Because Project X is down. Heisenberg, well, I mean, I can't do anything about the VWAP today because Project X is not working. Literally, if you guys do not believe me, check it out. Oh, wait. I said check it out and now it's not even popping up. Cam, where are you? Pop up, please. I'm trying to prove a point here. There we go. Yep, can't do anything. So it is what it is. Yeah, Prashant, yeah. Happy Diwali if you are celebrating Diwali, by the way, for everyone watching. But if you do have dogs, it is Diwali, so just be aware that there will probably be some fireworks going on. So some people have the session VWAP. Okay, Heisenberg. I do not, Prashant, sorry. Yep, BD, it did. It went down, so I can't do anything today. Remnant, no I don't. I use proper, I'm sorry. RDR2? I always stream at this time. Have you never noticed me before? I always stream at this time, sorry. BD, that's literally what I was saying. I was like, today looks like so much fun to trade, and guess what? I can't trade. Anyways, back to observing trading view. Again, yes, it is delayed. Apologies about it, guys. Nothing I can do, unfortunately. Yeah, we're sticking, yeah. We just gotta grin and bear it. I can't control this, unfortunately. It would be cool if I could. I can't, though. Hey, Turple Root. First time watching from Uganda. Hi. That is amazing. Welcome. That's okay, some guy. My brain's delayed 99% of the time. So, ooh. So I'm low-key forward testing with regards to my entry being at the 0.2 line. So I mean, this is like 4-hour, nearly a 5-hour trade. We had it earlier, where was, yeah, you can see here, would have tapped in and then gone beautifully up for nearly a 5-hour trade. Would not have happened there. Did it happen here? Let me confirm. Let me not lie to you guys. Oh, would have just missed. Would have just missed. However, if I carried on with the range up, nope, still would have missed. Damn, that's frustrating. See, so that's where the 50%, you get the entries. It's 2R, but you get the entries. There, see, this one would have hit the 0.2 level. And let's see if it would have gone all the way up, as it is. Oh, sorry. I have to deal with a lot of grass today, so I just feel itchy. Some guy, damn, you try not to take anything under 4. But I guess that's the difference between like quick scalping and swing trading. The swing trades tend to be bigger, right? Okay, I'm sorry about yawning so much. Oh, already R2 champ. Oh, and have you never seen me here before? Oh no. Your school starts in 10 minutes. Oh, sorry, bud. Remnant, I can't trade this. Yeah, that's why I'm not trading. Yeah, I would never trade in a delay. That's... Anyways. Rambo, what up? $10.55 target. Oh, highs is target. Nice. Nice. BD, are you at least able to go on to the market at all? Are you able to get in at all? If BD is still here. BD, you still here? Hey, Bob. What up? Bob, I'm assuming you have your trading view open. Do you have a trading view account as well? I thought you only used Project X. And nothing, a double top. Let's see, I'm genuinely curious. Like I said, this, if my entry moved to the 0.2 level. $4.63R trade, which is not bad. Not bad at all. Jammer, which higher time frame? So I'm very salty about, yeah, all of it. The fact that I couldn't trade today when I specifically wanted to get trades in to help me mentally. Oh well, I guess it just wasn't meant to be. Damn, Rambo. Rambo, you trading right now? Yes? No, maybe? Oh, my gosh, I'm so sorry guys. I can't stop yawning today. I feel like I need 15 cups of coffee and it's just not happening. I guess it's because... There it is. Nearly a 5-hour trade. Yes, if it's 5-hour trades, you don't need super high win rate, because my argument was generally what happens is if it hits that 0.2 line, it tends to just keep falling through. I guess today is also a bit of a weird day. It is pushing quite a bit. Took 3 scalps today. Oh, damn! Whoop whoop, Rambo! That's amazing! Sorry, I was like, why are you saying GG Rambo? But that is awesome! Well done! You lucky bugger. You're able to take some trades today. I'm jelly. I'm super jelly. I'm super hungry. I've had coffee today. Coffee counts as breakfast, right? Yeah, coffee counts as breakfast. I've had a coffee today, guys. I'm starving. That's why earlier someone was asking about the best pasta, or where you can get the best pasta in South Africa, and I was like, ooh, you know what sounds great right now? Lasagna. I'm in the mood for lasagna. No, Bob, it's pretty normal for me. I forget. That sounds bad, but I genuinely forget to eat during the day. Don't yell at me. I know people are gonna yell at me. I know it's bad. I need to eat during the day. It's good, but I wake up, I get busy, I forget to eat, I have my coffee. Coffee fills me up for some reason, so then I don't feel hungry. And then, like I said, I go to the horses, I come back, I start streaming, and then all of a sudden it's dinner time. Yeah. Don't yell at me. I know you guys are gonna... There we go. I know you guys are gonna yell at me. Because I know it's bad. I know it's bad. So, some guy, the problem is I am forever hungry during the weekends when I'm bored. Yeah, Nanomix, I have horses. Well, I have a horse, I work 2 horses. Oh no, I have 2 horses. The one's just retired, living her best life. Hey, Tristan, what's up? Yeah, see? Your FBI agent working overtime. He knows what you're thinking. Some guy, I mean, that makes sense. It does make sense. Tristan, explain what I'm doing here. I am sulking because I cannot trade using my Project X account because systems are down, because AWS being down, right? It's Amazon Web Server, I think. Yep, is down. So I can't trade today. So I just quickly hopped onto TradingView. So there is a delay, there's a 10-minute delay. So I'm just kind of forward testing and watching all the good trades that I could have had today just go by and make me feel sad. Oh well. Coffee is the bloodline of America. So what I'm hearing is I would fit in America really well. Nanomix, yes they are. Horses are such high maintenance. It's actually not even funny what type of freaking high maintenance they are. Base asset is weak, indicates strong EQ. Ooh, interesting, Rambo. Okay. Rise and inspire. Hi, I love your name. I'm already inspired. No! Oh, chase and a break. Oh, no. Why am I saying that? Break even's good. I know it's not a win, but break even's good. Okay, I had a little bit of a break. Book liquidity 1, 2, and 3. And 4. Oh. Was this a fake out? Nobody tell me. No spoilers. Because I would have potentially then gone, oh, look at this wick. I would have needed more confirmation on the downward trend though, but I mean, here we go. It's going down, little tap to this little block. That's why there was a little push. No spoilers. You know, hi. For real-time data, it's free. You can tape read that. Ooh. Oh, damn, Rambo. Sorry, you told me now. I'm basically gonna hop off and... Sorry, my brain was like, it's nearly time for me to go. I was late today, though, so I could hop on, stay on for a little bit longer. SPF on the high, attack liquidity broke structure. Yes. Okay. DJ David, hi. This is that 11-13 fair value gap you mentioned. Yeah, Rambo. Interesting. So, would you say this is gonna just keep pushing up, up, and away? Oh, yeah, apparently. Some guy, that's what I'm looking at. Shorts. But this is where my brain's having a meltdown. If you will. My brain is having a tad bit of a meltdown with regards to where should my entry be, at the 0.5 or the 0.2? Should I stick with my good old trusty 50% entry to our trade? Do I start pushing it for less chance of getting an entry but a 5R trade and potentially more losses? But again, if it's a win, it's a really good win. Rise and Inspire. Sorry, don't take too much note of today, because what I normally trade is Project X, and Project X is down due to AWS being down today. Sounds like there's a lot of drama going on that side of the world, but it's affecting this now, which is frustrating me. That's fine. But I trade the Nasdaq futures. Yeah. Oh, and sorry, Rise and Inspire, about your question earlier, you're a binary trader. You do you. Yeah. There's no judgment on this channel. Well, if there is, they're definitely not part of the awesome community. Yeah. There is an awesome community. I think we all just want to be here and learn. Well, I want to learn, and I think a lot of people really want to help me along the journey and maybe learn some things. I mean, there's people here who've been trading for longer than I've been alive, which I think is which is crazy. And the information, it can be overwhelming, don't get me wrong. Yeah, it can be super overwhelming sometimes. But the information is just ridiculous. Oh, Bhavani Baba, that's very sweet. Thank you. Okay, wait. Risky as fuck. And the 1 minute, yeah? Oh, interesting. Tristan, how long have I been alive? Nearly 27 years. Nearly. Your entry should have been on 11.17 opening price. Okay, Rambo, pause. Sorry, I'm looking for potential short. Maybe it's a bad idea with this flipping bullish market, but I was potentially looking at short. Like I said, I would not normally do this because I look for confirmations of downward trends before I hop into things. So this would not normally be what my setup looks like. I would have needed confirmation that it was indeed going lower to actually get into a short. Rise and Inspire. Yes, actually, I wanted to potentially trade gold tomorrow. Am I even going to be able to trade tomorrow? I don't know. All good questions. Yeah, it is a lot. 24390. 24390. Ooh, okay, they probably marked out on my actual, yeah, on my actual chart. And Lux, yeah, I don't have it up. That's why I have this delay. Oh, cheers, Nanomix. I'll see you probably tomorrow. I might be heading soon. Tristan, that sounds like a terrible idea because I'm not profitable yet and I will not be comfortable trading someone else's money and risking someone else's money. Maybe one day when I'm big and I'm profitable and I'm more confident, then we can talk, but for right now, no. Sorry, like I said, I'm not here pretending like I'm amazing and that I'm gonna make millions, or that I am making millions, because I'm not. I'm still learning things. I'm still definitely making mistakes. As one does when they start trading, right? I'm just here to have a witness to the journey, I guess. That sounds very old schooly, but yeah. This low-key starts to look a little bit choppy and a little bit rangy, which is not ideal. Which is really not ideal. If it reverses above tomorrow, could look for better shorts. Oh, DJ Clark can't. Okay. I'm just hoping I get to flipping trade tomorrow. Yeah. Love me a good range. Hell yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of died a little bit. I wonder if the charts are... No, I'm sure there's lots of people that can still trade even without their Project X charts. I was gonna say, I wonder if this outage, if you will, is affecting the market. Okay, why did I mention the 11, 13, so 5, 13 imbalance? Yeah, because it took that sell sign. Has more importance, and once it's seen was violated, and use 11% opening price as entry. Okay, but Rambo. So you used it as an entry for a long. I would have thought this would have been a decent entry for potential short. Was it because it didn't respect it enough that you thought it was going to go long? So I see exactly what you're talking about right here. This little, I say little, but you know, I'll zoom in now and we can see it. And I see what you're saying about it took out the lows, correct? Okay. Then I see it went up and it rejected off slightly. Every imbalance and what you for buy side sell sign is one point. Always mark them out. Okay, okay. Okay, Rambo, why? I know you told me why before it happened, but isn't it normally that price comes into a fair value gap, it's now filled the gap, and then it potentially continues, like it rebounds off of the fair value gap? That's why I'm confused. Sorry if it's a dumb question, I'm just genuinely getting a little bit confused now. I mean, if you look at a bunch of these fair value gaps, what tends to happen is it comes back in to fill the gap and then it goes back up. Even if it just taps into the gap, whereas naturally now I can't freaking find a good example. Come on. Yeah, I guess. Comes in, you can see it is respecting it and then it bounces off, but this it respected the fair value gap and then this little bit of an order block. Okay, it hasn't come down this far yet. I'm gonna have to go further back. I mean, here, tapped in on a higher time frame, this is a fair value gap. Tapped into the fair value gap and pushed up. Here's a fair value gap, came halfway through and then pushed up. So I think that's why I'm a little bit confused. But Chase, it can inverse it. Okay. Okay, but the dollar will move heavily towards the sun. After that, I guess we're expecting to see clearer directions and structure on higher time. DJ Clark, I'm freaking hoping so. Okay. So closes above the fair value gap. High, and it acts as support. That logic for retail. Yeah, well, I am beginner, which is why I'm asking these questions. Okay, the first thing is to understand the order flow, yes, and the bias today was clearly bullish. So I'm waiting to see what Rambo says. See guys, learning things. Every time I hop on, I learn something new. Rambo? Anything else? No? Maybe not? Okay, I'm gonna give it a little bit longer. But otherwise, I'm probably gonna call it a day there, guys. Sorry, I know there wasn't much. I'd say that. I had lots of fun talking to you guys today. I know it was chaotic again. Always chaotic. Always a freaking frustrating time, but I guess it is what it is. But okay, no, Rambo's not getting back. Hey Franks, how are you? Where you been? How's it been going? Okay. Yeah. GG, that's exactly it. GG, yeah, that's exactly it. It was just an AWS day, so. DJ Clark, my sell setup might be coming. Ooh, you think so? I mean, it's pushing down on ES. And ES tends to drive NQ, so maybe. Death Note, what up? Sorry, y'all, I'm about to, and I just said y'all. I'm learning from Bob and Doc Angel. They say y'all a lot, and I love it. Jeff! No, absolutely nothing, because AWS is down, so Project X is down, so I haven't been able to trade today. So this isn't even, you know, my charts look different because I'm using Project X. I haven't been able to trade. I haven't been able to do anything because it looks like this. This is what today looks like for me. Can't get in. I'm stuck. Oh well. Okay, Rambo, but I guess that makes sense. It's a lot to explain. Trading is a lot to explain. Okay, then let me call it there now that I'm bummed. I'm bummed I wasn't able to trade today. Like I said earlier, I literally hopped in with this amazing intention of I'm going to place my trades and stop being so funny. Rage! Hi! Wait, now I have to just say hi to Rage. What up? How are you? Remember, I think that's it. There's a lot of puzzle pieces that you slowly start to collect over time, depending on the person. Some people are really good at puzzles. Maybe I'm a little bit slow at puzzles. I'm not sure. But yeah. So if the sentiment is bullish and it fails to respect fair value gap on a lower time frame, you look to enter long on a higher time frame fair value gap. Ooh, okay, I get that makes sense. Lugram, that does make sense. Tristan, thank you, thank you. We can expect choppy price action. Why? Because we had a very large AM session, so lunch macro can be high resist. Okay, Ram, but that makes sense. So then basically it's probably just gonna end up chip chopping a little bit now. Damn, okay. Yeah, parties are starting. I can hear someone's playing bass in the background. Again, happy Diwali for anyone who is celebrating Diwali today. I hope it's good. For those that are not and have animals, just make sure your animals are home and safe, because there should probably be a lot of fireworks. Yeah. Hey, Trader with the Cash, how you doing? Oh, Rage, that's awesome. Yeah, like I said, I wasn't able to trade today because of this fun situation at the current moment, but it is what it is. Yeah. Hell yeah, Bob. Okay. Let me call it there. You guys were amazing. Sorry I couldn't do any... Yeah. Oh gosh, AWS happened. Basically, Project X is down on multiple platforms, so I wasn't able to trade. And it is what it is. Hopefully tomorrow it's up and running and we can get some trades in, right? Let's be positive. Let's think positive thoughts. We've got this. We've got this. Positivity. We've got this. Please say we've got this. Okay. Let me call it there for today then. Again, sorry there was nothing super exciting going on, but I love you guys madly. Thank you for keeping me company. Even though there wasn't much happening, you guys still kept me company and I really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. I love you guys madly. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Yes, I love you guys madly. I'll see you tomorrow, London and New York session. Yeah? Yeah. I love you guys. Bye.